Good day everyone, 22nd of March today, and I'm happy to announce that we're going back again on the New Zealand US dollar on the upside. We were sitting on the sideline for a while, but the bullish picture still remains the same. I want to remind you what we're looking at. So there's the big setup that is running across the weekly chart. And it's a well-established sideways movement that already consists of basically 5 well-established legs. Should I say six legs? But you know, the sixth leg, I mean, it touched base with the higher part of the setup and completed, the minimum size for that leg. But since it is the sixth leg, I expect it, as usual, to basically break outside of the setup and change the whole formation of the behavior of the New Zealand US dollar here. Basically, just go into a serious upside trend. So this is on the longer term perspective, obviously, but I want to focus on the shorter term perspective. We have a combination of them both because we have two setups, right? We got the big setup coming from the weekly chart. That's the black one, and we also have the blue one. Representing the slow sideways movement that I believe is about to generate an upside leg. So right now I'm focusing on the blue setup, right? And take a look, we got the first, second, and this is a third leg. You see, it did not reach the upper part here. You see, it missed it, which is why I conclude that this upside move here was just a correction, a local upside correction, but it's still the same leg. It's just a 3-part leg, basically. So we got 1, 2, 3 all the way down, and I suspect we're going to have the fourth going all the way up to the upper part, right? So in this case, since it is the fourth leg, it may actually continue to generate the fifth leg, and only then it will go all the way to the big setup target, right? That's our final destination, the 80.35, which happens to be a Fibonacci projection level, a very, very important level. That's on the grand scale. On the short-term scale, like I said, we can easily expect price to hit the 73.74 level. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to take profit off the table once we hit that level. I'm going to probably take half of the position off the table, and if I'll notice that clear signs are showing that price is about to reverse, I may take the whole position out, wait for price to go back again to the lower part and pick it up again. All right, that's the game plan. I may actually just leave half of the position in and just bring back this, the first half I was executing once price hits the lower part again. That's another form of solution. But it should be interesting to follow up on this one. You can see that price, as we speak right now, is battling against that resistance here, 72.36. Now, I do believe it's going to break it quite easily, mostly because you can see how price on the downside here was finding the 200-day moving average as a strong support, and it also took the previous lows, both of them. So it's in a very good position right now to give us that, easily about 130 pip to 73.74, and potentially speaking all the way to 80.35, and that's of course related to the big swing move. So we'll follow up on this one. We'll keep you posted as usual. And that's about that for the New Zealand US dollar bullish outlook. See you on the next one.